Hello everyone, so today in this video I'm going to make a review and unboxing for the Mocute-054 gamepad. So basically this is how the box will look like. Let's focus on that. Okay, so it can be paired with the Android device, iOS device, PC, or even for VR gaming. So this is on the side of the box. Okay, so at the back you will see the specifications, and it says here the battery lasts about 40 hours. So without further ado, let's open the box. Okay, so what you will get from inside the box is a micro USB charging cable and also instruction manual in English, and it is quite long. So here you can see an instruction for Android device, iOS, and also computer. So I won't go through this instruction manual because it will take a lot of time just for the instruction manual itself. So I'm going to show you how to pair this device with Android or iPhone device. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is to long press the power button, and you can see the LED is blinking. So now that means it is ready to be paired with your device. So the first device that I'm going to show you with the pairing setup is the Android device. So click on refresh and you will see two devices here. So for this Android device, I suggest you connect with the HID mode and just click on that and click pair. Okay, now it is connected. So the second thing that you need is you need to install the Octopus application from Google Play Store. And once you have downloaded that, you can just open the app and add your games by clicking this plus button here. So from here you can just add any game that you like. So as for now, I already add the BB Racing, so I'm going to run that. And as you can see, it is already running. So how to map this controller? So in order for you to map this controller, you can see the octopus head on top of that. Click on that and you can see the plus button here. Click on plus. Okay, oh no, I'm sorry. Click on plus and you can see the button mapping settings. So this is where you map the key on your device. So for example, let's show you how to map from start. Okay, so right now everything is clean, no key is mapped on this device. So click on plus. Okay, for example, I want to add a key for A button so that I can use the button to brake my car. So click on this key, and yes, as you can see, it is waiting for the input from this remote control. So just press any button that you like to use it as a brake. Now I'm pressing A and you can see it is registering on the device, and now you can drag the button here and the brake is somewhere around here. I'm going to let it be. So now I'm going to add another control for left and right steering. So I'm going to use left analog right here. So I'm going to set this to be on hold instead of repeat. Just try. And let's do this one the same. Now once you've done, you can test the remote. Let's put the device in here, just like that. Now let's see if it works. So you can see the A button for brake, it works. So now let's control. So as you can see, it doesn't work like this. So that means I need to change the settings from here. So this one, move it a bit right here. Then we're going to change the settings for repeat. Same one here, click on repeat and done. So now let's try it again. Now it's working. Now everything is working great. Let's try the brake, and it works. Okay, for iOS device, you need to connect it to the BLE. So since the Android device is connected to HID on the iOS, you need to connect it to the BLE. So just click on that and wait for it to pair, and click pair, and it is connected. So now let's try and see how to set this up. So click on the Mocute gamepad tools. You can download it from the App Store and click add. Now it asks you to select the screenshot of your gameplay. So for now I have this for Genshin Impact. So click on that. Okay, once you have added the screenshot, click open, and now just name anything that you like and click save. So now click open. Okay, so from here you can map the key based on the screenshot that you took. So click on modify, and you can just select any key and map it on the button that you like. For example, this is left analog and this is right analog. So for example, let's click on that. Okay, so I assume it is right here, and let's add this guy. So this is for viewing. So for viewing, what you need to do is to double tap, and you can see there it is view mode. So click on view and then click save. Now let's add more button. Let's say I would like to add the A button to jump. So click on A and drag it on top of the jump icon. Okay, so once you have mapped all the button that you like, now you need to save it. So click on the X here and click save. Once it is saved, click apply. Okay, now once it has been applied, all you need to do is to open your game, Genshin Impact, and let's put the phone inside here. Okay, let's change the scenery to daylight. Alright, now let's control. So you can see here I can control the view, and I can also control the character using this dial pad here. So let's say I would like to jump, click A. This is attack. This is bunny. And this is ultimate. So I can also aim, cancel aim, go for battle,
here to play with me. The more, the merrier.
So that is how you play Genshin Impact using this controller. So you can set the controller to be played with any kind of game that you like. So I think that's it. So if you enjoy watching my video, please give a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.